Feeling overwhelmed by clutter every time you step into your home? Don't worry, these 3 simple decluttering tips will make your space feel fresh, calm, and organized. The perfect start to the new year. Instead of trying to declutter your whole house at once, set a timer for just 10 minutes each day. Pick one small area: a drawer, a shelf, or even your coffee table. In those 10 minutes, remove items you don't use or love. You'll be amazed at the difference over time. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of an old one. Bought a new sweater? Donate or discard one you no longer wear. This simple rule keeps clutter from creeping back in. Not sure about getting rid of certain items? Put them in a box labeled "Maybe" and store it away for 30 days. If you don't miss anything inside, it's time to donate. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your home and life transform. Ready to give these tips a try?